วัสดีค่ะหวัดดีค่ะดีค่ะ What's the difference and which one is the best for greeting? I would like to present you the first video of my new video series Street Thai Learn Thai the way it's really spoken. And today we are going to learn how to greet. So let's get started with the most common greeting word in Thai. For a male speaker, you say สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ and for a female speaker, you say สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ This one is very general. You can use in any kind of situation. But you hear it, for example, in a hotel and in a restaurant, people will greet you with สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีค่ะ Another word that you might hear is หวัดดีครับ or หวัดดีค่ะ You don't pronounce sa. We shorten the word. And หวัดดีครับ or หวัดดีค่ะ It is used in more casual situation. For example, with friends, with colleagues, or when you go to the party and you greet people, you can just say หวัดดีครับ หวัดดีค่ะ That is fine. And the last one is the shortest version. You can also say ดีครับ or ดีค่ะ It is used among young people, especially when texting. But when you speak it, I would recommend you to use สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีค่ะ or หวัดดีครับ หวัดดีค่ะ So you have just learned 3 versions of สวัสดี Choose what you like and use it at the right situation. And if you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like or share it to support me. That's all for today and see you in the next video. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย